Yo yo yo, Vesgo Tech Tips here with my boy.
How's it going, you skinny little nerds? It's Zeta!
So today we um made a very special PC for those people who want to get into gaming. Very cheap PC. So first we're just gonna start off with the case. So if I can find it. There it is. So for the first case we've got the Cooler Master cardboard box. You can order it in many sizes. It's very cheap. You have the option to have it open. You can like open the flaps, or you can close it if you don't want to see all your dank parts.
Oh, yeah. Uh, Next, we have the processor. If you can show that up.
That's not the processor. There it is.
Alright, the processor we have here is the AMD Baby Hamster. Now, the hamster is a very easy thing to install. All you have to do is, and I recommend parental help with this, you gotta nail it to the motherboard. Uh, and be sure to install it first so it doesn't need anything in the Cooler Master box.
Good. So for the
Fan.
fan, yes, the fan. We've got the NZXT room temperature. Again, very cheap. You don't really need to buy anything. You just need a room, and you've got it.
Yeah, pretty much. Uh, the power supply is a Corsair AA battery. Again, very cheap, but doesn't last too long.
Mm.
You don't need to get anything too expensive since this is a very cheap build. Uh, could you go into the motherboard, please?
Yeah, very cheap build, very cheap build. So for the motherboard, you'll be lucky to get this for around $700. Again, very cheap build. It's a very good motherboard, really worth the money. I recommend
Yes.
getting it. For the RAM.
uh, yeah, the memory or the RAM, for that.
Yeah.
Ripjaw's 1 bite bread crust times 2. Now,
Yeah.
it's nutritious, won't be able to run away, run any AAA titles like Club Minesweeper, but
Yeah.
they're still very good sticks.
Yeah. Club Penguin and Minesweeper are very AAA games. I recommend getting them. They're very good.
Yeah.
So for the storage, we've got the Kingston Piggy Bank with 3 kilobytes of storage in it.
Mm,
Um,
lovely.
you can store your favorite 20 by 20 picture on it. Very,
Mm,
sometimes you like getting those high resolution pictures on your piggy bank.
yeah, exactly. Everyone loves high resolution.
Yeah.
Now we have the video card, which is the Asus GTX 2 mashed potato.
Mm.
You can add butter to it if you want to go a little over the budget, but it's all you need to do to be good.
Yeah. So that's the end of the video, guys. I recommend getting this
Yo,
PC. Very good.
yeah, I'm just finishing off a dumb video about
Zeta.
fake. What? Just hold on. Oh, right. So there we have it. Your very own PC. Uh, can we cut the video? Just cut it. Yeah, just cut it. Cut it. Just press stop recording. It's all you have to do. It's that simple. It's way more simpler than making this PC.
Okay, bye.